Hello everybody, how are we all today? Feels like a spring day, doesn't it? Spring's soon, ain't it? I think it's about 20th of March, ain't it? Springtime officially. Lovely spring day today. Nice bit of breeze and the sun's out and all that. So I thought let's have a bit of a springy, you know what I mean? Now I haven't had this for about 2 years now. The last time I had it, I've done it on my channel, first time I'd ever made it, about 2 years ago. But we're going to have it today. So I went to Lidl, and I went to the food warehouse, Iceland. You know what I mean? And I got a couple of quiches. I got one from Lidl, £2.99p. And I got Cathedral City, £3.60 from the food warehouse. I've never had any of them before. I usually just have it or buy one, which I haven't had for a few years. Just up the Aldi's, that's all. So I'm going to cook the both because I like all sorts of quiches. And what I'm going to do, when I've cooked them, I'm going to have a couple of slices of each, and then I'm going to get Nat to see which one she likes better, if you get what I mean. Without knowing which is which. Get me? Let me show you anyway. Okay then. Yeah. Start again, Keith, start again. West Country cheddar, cheese and maple curled bacon. This one, say Lidl, £2.99, serves for a buttery encased, a butter encased pastry. I can't get my words out, guys. I'm all going to pot. A butter enriched pastry case filled with smoked maple curd bacon and West Yorkshire vintage cheddar cheese in an egg custard, topped with smoked maple curd bacon pieces. Ooh, finally, says the old nutrition. 420 grams, that is. Not nutrition, where's the nutrition? He's here somewhere, is it? Where is it gone? Where is it? There it is, there's the nutrition. You want to have a look at that, and you want to have a look at the ingredients. I'm all to pot. 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes in the middle shelf. That's nice and simple. We'll open that one first. Now if you look before I open it, you see the size of the difference in the boxes, don't you? But there's not a lot of difference. That's 420 and that's 400. You know what I mean? So this one's obviously a lot thicker. Very deceiving, isn't it? There is that one, the Aldi West Country cheddar. Looks quite nice actually, that does. It does look quite nice. And the Cathedral, which I suppose a lot of you have, or most of you, or probably all of you. I never have. £3.60. With cheddar cheese, smoked bacon in a short crust pastry. Eat hot or cold. Yeah, I couldn't get exactly the same, you know what I mean? I tried to get as close as I could with Lidl expensive one. So before you say, oh, they're not exactly the same, no, I know that, but there's the ingredients and the nutrition. You want to have yourselves a look, and we'll open this one up. Oh, how long's that one take? Remove all packaging, place on a baking tray in the middle of the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. Eat hot or cold. Now I love my quiches cold. Nat loves hers hot. But I'll eat them hot on the video, and then I can always have more later, because I'll eat all of these, because I do love a quiche. And there is the Cathedral one. Obviously first impressions, the little one looks a lot better, doesn't it? You can see. I think so anyway, but you can see the difference in the thickness. I think you can on camera anyway. And we're going to have a bit of a leafy salad and some chips. That's what we're going to do. So what I'll do then, I'll get that one in first for about 10 minutes, and then that one can go in then. That's what I'll do. And I'm just going to do my chips in the air fryer, which you've seen enough times, ain't you? It's all about them. Okay guys, the quiche is done. I'm going to get it out. Yeah. Oh yeah. There they are. Yummy! I do love a quiche. I keep saying it, but I do. I do love a quiche. Yeah, so let me dish up before that gets cold. Fries, chips have got about a minute to go. Let's get some plates. Move you around there we go. So you can see. We'll get some salad on, just some of this crispy leaf salad. Get a bit of that on there, eh? Bit of that rabbit food. Oh, got a bit too much rabbit food then, that can have that one. Bit too much rabbit food. Right, now we've got to get the pies out. Well, these. Let's do one at a time. Take that one off. So I love my quiches cold, you know. See if I can grab it in one go, because it's warm. There it is. That is the good old, what's it called? Good old cathedral one. Obviously there's loads more, we will have a lot more than that, don't worry about that. But this is just for now. Cathedral one. Can't really see a lot, can you? And the good old Lidl, which I've never had either. Got them like that. Creamy knife. There's the middle, there we go. Let me know if you like quiche. I think loads of people like quiche, don't they? And there's that one. Bit pathetic, ain't it, that? For the price. For the price, guys. Okay. Right, just get me chips out. And we'll get a little bit on each. Oh. Oven gloves, Keith. Should I use your oven gloves? Nice and simple, innit? You can even have some potatoes if you want, you know. Entirely up to you. Get on there. Messing around too much. Messing around too much. Get it on the plate. There we go, guys. Nice and simple. Like a spring dinner, innit? Some fries, some salad. Bit of a... There we go. Right, up the table. 1, 2, 3. So, what do you think? Oh yes, oh, he took a thumbnail, let me take a thumbnail. Cut off then. There we go anyway, there it is. Let me give you a closer look. Ugh. Good old quiche, oh. Chips, I told Nat not to try a quiche yet, so she can test which one, because she doesn't know which is which.
Can I try now, please?
Yeah, go on then, you try now, Bab. Because you like hot quiche, don't you?
Yeah. Those quiche are hot. Got brown sauce on it.
Yum.
That was quite nice.
Yeah, quite nice.
Yeah.
Try that one then.
It's got much flavour.
Hasn't got much flavour, that one.
I like that one.
You prefer that one?
Yeah.
That one was 60 pence, 61p more. Is it worth 61p more? I think it probably would be if it's got the flavour. That hasn't got any flavour.
That's nice. That one's got the most flavour.
That one's got the most flavour. And that's got some gravy there, look. We've done what I do, I'll show you actually. Let me show you. Hold on a sec. Huh? Yeah? Well, I know, yeah. Let me just show you.
I can't remember the last time I had quiche.
Don't do a video. I'll do stuff like this, but I don't do videos of them because it's just like the lad has them and that. I've got them. That's had the gravy out of there.
That gravy's well nice.
If you want me to see me to do some like frozen meals and that, there's extra videos a couple of times a week or something. You have to let me know. Like pies or fish cakes or microwave meals or anything like that. I don't usually do videos because that isn't my sort of thing. I do them occasionally like this quiche. I don't do it all the time. I like to my way, look. But if you want to see me do them as like an extra video, 2 or 3 times a week, let me know and I'll do it. You know what I mean? But anyway, onto the quiche.
I prefer the texture to this.
You prefer the texture to this one?
Yeah, if that was that texture, it would be proper.
Okay. Let me have a
And
crack.
that really expensive one.
It's only 60p more.
This one reminds me of egg custard for some reason. I can taste nutmeg on it.
Just say egg custard on the box.
Very egg custardy. Can you taste
That's
it?
nice. That's nice.
I really like that one.
But you like this one. For 60p more and 20 gram difference. 20 gram less, that's all. Yeah. 100%, isn't it? 100% better. The cathedral.
But do you prefer which texture?
I prefer the crust, the pastry on this one. On the Aldi one, Lidl one. I do. I don't know about the pastry at the edge. Let me try some pastry at the edge actually. Off the cathedral first.
What, is this Cathedral City one? Alright.
It's nice, isn't it? It is nice. I prefer the little pastry.
Mad, isn't it? I'll try pastry.
Yeah, I prefer the little pastry. Yeah,
Little pastry.
little pastry, but as a unit, I'd have I'd pay the 61p more, 60p more, wouldn't you? For the flavour. There you go, something nice and simple. Going live tomorrow, guys. Be about 1 o'clock. I'm going to redeem myself tomorrow as well. So look out for what I'm going to do, because I'm going to redeem myself. Because I seem to be getting laughed at. So I'm going to redeem myself tomorrow. Anyway, let me know which one if you've had both of them before. Or if you haven't and you was going to get one, I prefer to pay a little bit extra and get the cathedral. Wouldn't you? 100%. Anyway, till tomorrow. I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.